Hey guys, welcome to this ThinkPlus LivePods GM2 Pro Lenovo AirPod Reboxing. So I just got the ThinkPlus LivePod GM2 Pro Lenovo AirPod, which is good for gaming and sounding very well. It has comfortable to your ear. You can use it hand-free and it has a very long-last battery as well as touch control. So here, I'm going to unbox the ThinkPlus LivePods GM2 Pro Lenovo AirPod. Then let's see what we've got in. So the one I have here is the black variant. So to know the variant of your Lenovo ThinkPlus LivePod AirPods, then just come here. Then you're gonna see the variant. Here I have the GM2 Pro Black. So this particular variant is the black variant. So if you have the white variant, you're gonna see Lenovo GM2 Pro White. So that shows you have the white variant in it. So here, let's quickly unbox this and see what we got in the Lenovo GM2 Pro AirPod. Then first, we need to remove this nylon. So let's just find the means to remove this nylon. So this is what we got. I believe this should be slick, right? So please, if you have used the Lenovo GM2 Pods Bluetooth before or AirPods before, please don't forget to leave a comment and give us what you think about it. And let us know what you think about it. Then to open it, let's open it like this. And then pull it up. Oops. Like this. So here, then first is an extra earpad. So we have an extra one. This is just 2 compared to the AirPod Pro 2 where you have like 6 or 8. So this is 2. Then we'll have the ThinkPlus LivePod GM2 Pro charger. And this is also a Type-C connector. Is that? So this is Type-C connector. Probably this can be charged with your Samsung phone charger or Android phone using Type-C. So, and I think this is a few meter actually. Then we'll have the ThinkPlus itself. So before the ThinkPlus, we have the user manual. So this is the user guide. The user guide is written in English as well as in Chinese. So we'll come back to this later. Then this is the AirPod itself. Let's go ahead and see what we've got. Wow. So this is exactly as it looks on the pack. So this is the pack and this is the AirPod itself. I think this is exactly as it looks. ThinkPlus. Then you have Lenovo. So Lenovo ThinkPlus. So let us open it. All you just need to open it is just flip up. And once flipped up, you're gonna see light comes up here, like LED light. Whoa. Like this. Then you have the Lenovo ThinkPad Pro right and left AirPods in it. Now this is unlike some other AirPods you've used in the past. The charging port is here, so you don't need to insert the ThinkPlus LivePod GM2 like this into the casing. You just need to place it like this, and that is it. Beautiful. Then remove it and put this into your ear, and once the battery is low, insert it back. Then go ahead, plug in the charger here. So you can just go ahead, insert the charger to charge it. So that is all about the ThinkPlus LivePod GM2 Pro Lenovo AirPods boxing. So we'll come up next. We'll tell you some of the settings you need to put on to get the best out of this particular AirPod. So if you want us to update you, please don't forget to like and subscribe.